So welcome back to the process to read candlestick charts video 3. So if you have still not watched the video 1 and video 2 of process to read candlestick charts, the link is available in the description. So today the stock in my watch list is Jubilant Foods. So first we'll focus on daily time frame. What is happening in this Jubilant Food stock? The support is getting formed, which was already a resistance, or I can say supply zone getting converted into a demand zone. After a clean uptrending auction, we got a first bigger pullback, and the stock price is almost trading near a 52-week high. The range which I have marked here, which was an supply zone, or I can say a seller's rejection zone, which has now got converted into a demand zone after forming a good decent pullback. And remember, the pullback which was rejected was the buyers zone. Okay, the buyers zone who are dominating the auction, they have somehow came in again and pushed the stock price near 52-week high. Okay, during this up move, remember, if this up move, if it would have came in straightforward towards upside like this move, I would have not noticed this stock much. But what made me to focus more here is that after a supply zone getting cleared out with decent good volumes, okay, supply zone getting cleared out with decent good volumes, yes, we got a follow through, but this down move was more necessary for an strong further upside move. This down move was the major cause for me to look this stock more deeper, and it came into my watch list because a basic rule here is this was the supply zone. Okay, and we got a breakout. This was the breakout of the supply zone. What I personally do is I don't blindly believe any breakouts. It can be on any time frame. Generally, I don't believe any breakout unless until I clearly get a clue in this balanced market that buyers are dominating the auction. Okay, this is my basic rule, but same rule applies here. Even after getting a breakout, we got a follow through. Still, what I look is stock price can't move in a straight line. Okay, still I have not got a clear clue in this breakout that buyers were stronger. But when this small pullback and price rejected, this has given me more clue, because more confirmation that the supply zone is clearly turned into a demand zone now, and the stock price can move further upside. So moving on to a weekly time frame, a bigger time frame, what auction is getting developed is already the stock price is clearly in towards an uptrending with a small pullback, and again stock price is moving clearly towards upside. So on a weekly time frame, there is nothing, no clue that sellers are in control of any kind of auction, because every single auction which is getting developed are being again redominated by the buyers to push the stock price towards upside. You closely look at this. This was the first pullback after this up move. Okay, series of up moves. So this is a weekly time frame. In a weekly time frame, the stock from 1700, it has moved till 2500 in just 6 trading weeks. That is not at all a small deal on any stock. That means from 1700 to 2400. So post moving 700 points, we got a small pullback here, but still the pullback got rejected, and again this red colored candle came in near the 52 weeks high. Okay, near all 52-week high, but still if these sellers were so stronger, they should have pushed the stock price lower, or they should have made a next week, they should have made an attempt, but there was no sellers follow through. So that again what happens is on next continuous weeks buyers again push the stock price higher, and now it is almost trading near the 52-week high range. Let me move on to a 30-minute time frame for a intraday perspective or a positional 2 to 3 days perspective. So close of the stock is coming around 2658 levels. This is a Jubilant Food future level. This is a 30-minute time frame. Jubilant Foods on upcoming days 2643 to 2634 will be very important for the buyers. Okay, an immediate on a 30-minute time frame, immediate demand zone, what I have found out is 2643 to 2634 levels. So tomorrow or on any upcoming days, what I personally will look forward is the closest 2658. I will look for a price to come near this zone, and on a 30-minute time frame, okay, I will look for a rejection. I will look for a rejection in this zone above the rejection candle high. I will plan for a buy side trade, placing a stop loss below this. I am expecting minimum 1:2 risk reward on this trade. Okay, minimum 1:2. I will focus more on 1:3. But once minimum my target will be 1:2 risk reward, and already on a daily time frame we have come to know that the supply zone has got clearly converted into a demand zone after a immediate small pullback which has got developed after a once the breakout has taken place. Okay, a pullback rejection. So I am more confident, this gives me more confident to closely look forward on a shorter time frame for a trade plan. So very simple straightforward trade plan. A price rejecting this clear zone 2634 to 2643 above this candle high on a 30-minute time frame, I will plan for a buy side trade with placing a stop loss below this and expecting a target of 1:2 risk reward. And also on a 30-minute time frame, still buyers are dominating from lower levels also. I'm not only speaking about the current tomorrow and upcoming auction. Look at the older auction which got developed. It is more convincing for me. A higher low formation and an higher high formation which is getting developed continuously into the Jubilant Foods even after this down move. Okay, look at after this, even this down move, still buy sellers have failed in a shorter 30-minute time frame. Sellers have failed clearly, and they have buyers have clearly tried to dominate this auction. So that is the main cause. I am looking a small pullback here on a 30-minute time frame, a rejection. As I mentioned, as per the trade plan, I will look forward for the stock momentum.